Hi guys, today we will talk about fog lights, fog light bulb replacement. The process of changing the fog light bulb is very easy unless you have got a splash shield under your front bumper. In this case you'll have to remove it and install again after the bulb is replaced. So as you see, I just get under the car, unplug the connector, remove the bulb socket, turning it counterclockwise, and get out from under the car to change the bulb in the socket. First of all, I removed the bulb from the socket and inserted a good one. This time I didn't have to buy a new H1 lamp, I just took one from my old stock. This socket has got a special tab to prevent inserting the bulb incorrectly. After that, I get under the car and install this socket into the fog light. This time I turned the socket clockwise, inserted the connector and went to check if everything is working properly. Here you see the fog light is on, everything is okay. So if you like this video with my cat, click like and consider subscribing to my channel.